So, I found this the other day in the street and thought I would tear it apart and make some terrain out of it. Let's get to it. I'll just run you through them in a sec. So we've got this, which is the main body, which was at the front. At the top, that's where the guns come out. So I think I'm going to keep that and use that for like a main entrance. As you can see, the inside's pretty bleak, so I'll have to do a bit of work to that. I'm thinking this piece will go this way because there's not much on the back. So I'm going to cut this, marry that up so it's like a entrance. And I've got these. I've kept two of these like this. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with them yet, but the others I've stripped. Now the top parts, they don't actually come off because this is fastened on somehow. I can't understand how to get it off. But what I will do is these little pieces, I'll cut them and then it'll slide off. So I've got to sort that out yet. On the underside of the head, which is great detail, bulkhead wall, something like that. Got this piece that came from the inside. It's another archway hanger door. Another one. I've got these. I've got two long ones, two short ones. They make like a little box. I might see if I can mould these, because that's just great walls. So if I can mould them, then I've got a load of walls. I've got another, like, say like a door entrance, but a locked door. Pretty cool. I've got 4 of these, and these come out. Don't know what I'm going to use them for yet. Yeah, just random bit of plastic. I'll pretty that up somehow. 2 of these, odd shaped. 2 of those. I've got this, which is pretty cool. I think I'll end up taking this piece off. I've got this piece, which kind of like how it is. Probably just fill the front in, put a little room in it, and have it as a tower, defence tower. Now this is too big, so I'll be cutting it at all its intervals. So, sorry about that. I've got this piece, which I'll just be leaving as is. It's like a reactor, power station. I've got this piece, which is pretty crappy to be honest, but I'll be cutting it for all these diamond plate sections. There we go. Yeah, so I'll cut all the diamond plate sections out for flooring. And then just little odd bits, which I'm sure will come in handy for something. Doorway. Small doorway. Little doodads. That might actually, I know that goes on the front of that, so I might slip that back on. Does it look better with it on? I don't actually know. I think it looks better with it off. I'll keep it anyway, I'll decide later. So yeah, that's all the bits. And I will be putting on the end of this video a build with this. So we'll get this cleaned up, get the build sorted, and I'll show you at the end. So this is what I finished with. Turned out great. I ended up keeping the ring on. So I'll just show you around, see what you think. And my next video will be this painted up and my next build process. As you can see, loads of gubbins inside. Now the arch in the middle is meant to like replicate like an X-ray or a scanner or something like that, but I don't know. It looks sci-fi. It's cool. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, share it, subscribe, click that bell. I'd appreciate it very much. Also, don't forget to check out my Ko-fi. The link will be in the description. So yeah, see you soon.